On today's menu, grilled spicy shrimp and scallops. So starting off, we're going to make our marinade. Extra virgin olive oil, hot sauce or sriracha, paprika, salt, garlic powder, herbes de Provence, which is my go-to herb mixture, and pepper. My quick tip with pepper is I use both Szechuan peppercorns and Telecherry peppercorns in my grinder. There's a lot of added flavor you wouldn't get from just one. So real quick, we'll chat about seafood since this is a shrimp recipe. I will be making some scallops too, but they'll be kind of the side note here. Buy your seafood frozen. They're frozen directly on the boats where they're caught. So the things, the fresh that you're buying in the seafood section of the market is just been caught, frozen, and then thawed. So after I switched to frozen, I've never gone back. It's also significantly cheaper. You can see these are 16 to 20 shrimp per pound, which they're pretty big ones. This was insanely cheap. I think it was only $16 for 2 pounds. So normally it's not that inexpensive, but the price is significantly better. Scallops, you'll see in a bit, they're normally like $30, $40 a pound here now. And the bag I bought, they're small ones, they're 15 bucks for a pound. So I'm always looking for a less expensive way to do everything in my life. Sometimes you get lucky and you find the cheaper way is actually the higher quality way as well. Which, yeah, with seafood is definitely true. So these are shell on, but the shells split. They're already deveined. So I mentioned these were frozen, so we thawed them out overnight. Just put a little plastic wrap on top of the bowl. If you were in a rush, you could let some cold running water go on top of these and have them ready in a couple of hours. So that's a second method. Doesn't work as well, but does work. That's pretty much that. Next step, we're going to start mixing these around, and we're just going to let them sit in the marinade for a couple hours in the fridge. On a skewer, I try to, especially with these big shrimp, I try to go you can see I got 2 parts there essentially. Probably way too much just for me, but that's okay. See, like that, we don't want that. That's way too close to the edge, at least for my taste. So I'm gonna move that on. I'm just taking off, this is the abductor muscle. You don't want that on there, it'll be chewy and gross. Should pop right off. I wasn't planning on doing this, but I'm gonna throw the scallops in with what's left of the shrimp sauce. Marinade, what have you. You do want to carefully skewer the scallops right in the center, otherwise they have a tendency to fall off. You don't want that. This is for the scallop. So quick note here, we only need like 2 minutes to cook everything. The scallops also are on a grate so they don't stick to the grill and completely ruin, and I have learned that the hard way in the past. Ooh, look at that. Make sure you're wearing gloves. Will be very hot. So what's up? It's just started to rain, of course, as soon as these are on, but we got like 30 seconds and we're done. You hear the birds? The boys? I'd rather have these a little underdone than overdone, so do my little get done quick dance. Yeah. Scallops. Nice little scallop. That is so freaking crazy good. I'm having another. Absolute perfection. Shrimp. So super easy grilled shrimp and scallops. You could mix up the flavors. You could just do salt. You could just salt and pepper. Whatever you really want. Just get grilled super hot. Make sure you don't cook them too long. That's it. Hope you enjoyed. Had a lot of fun. And go inside, get out of this rain. We'll see you next time.